Bhartiya Aviation Services Recruitment 2024. Apply for the 3,508 vacancy. Male and female, 10th pass. Last date, 31st October 2024. Bhartiya Aviation Services, BAS, has recently invited online applications from eligible and intending candidates for the recruitment of 3,508 male and female loader housekeeping and CSA vacancy across all Indian airports. Interested candidates who are looking job in airport and completed 10th may apply for this job here. Bhartiya Aviation Service Vacancy Details. Organization: Bhartiya Aviation Services. Post Name: Customer Service Agent, CSA, 2653 post. Loader Housekeeping, 855 post. Total vacancy, 3508. Who can apply? All India male-female candidate both can apply. Apply date, already started. Apply mode, online. Job location, across India. Selection process, CBT exam. Bhartiya Aviation Services Recruitment 2024 salary: 13,000 rupees to 30,000 rupees. Airport vacancy 2024 age limit as on 1st July 2024. Minimum age 18 years. Maximum age 28 years. Age relaxation is applicable per rules. Education qualification: Customer Service Agent, CSA, 12th pass. Loader Housekeeping, 10th pass. Application fee: Customer Service Agent, CSA, 380 rupees plus GST pay online. Loader Housekeeping, 340 rupees plus GST pay online. Important dates: Apply start date, 1st August 2024. Last date of apply, 31st October 2024. CBT exam details. The schedule of examination activities is as follows. Important point of examination: online application. Last date, extended, examination information, 31st October 2024. Examination fee deposit last date, 31st October 2024, extended. Downloading of admit card by candidate from BAS website. To be announced later on website. Date of examination 1st December 2024 and 8th December 2024. Mode of examination, offline or CBT. Pattern of examination, objective type with MCQ. Duration of examination, 90 minutes, 1.5 hours. Syllabus of examination. The exam will consist of 2 parts. All the parts will consist of objectives type, multiple choice questions. There will be no break between papers. The subject-wise scheme of examination is as per details below. Part A. Subject: English. Syllabus: synonyms and antonyms, one-word substitution, vocabulary and grammar skills, spotting errors, sentence, rearranging para jumbles, active and passive voice, direct and indirect speech conversions and narration, shuffle of sentences, part and passage, comprehension passage, verbs, tense, conjunction, article, idiom. Marks: 40 marks. Part B. Current affairs. National and international. 10 marks. Science and aviation knowledge. Physics, chemistry, biology and aviation knowledge, 10 marks. Social studies. History, politics and geography, 10 marks. Mathematics. Percentage, profit and loss, simple and compound interest, ratio and proportion, average work and time, time, speed and distance, number, 15 marks. Reasoning. Coding, decoding, alphabet series, number series, missing numbers, dice, blood relations, calendar clock, seating arrangement, puzzle, sequence arrangement, justice 15 mark. Mode of examination. The examination will be conducted in computer-based test, CBT, mode or offline mode. Medium of examination. The paper will be in bilingual, i.e., Hindi and English. In case of any ambiguity between Hindi and English version due to transaction, English version would be treated as final. Examination Center. Exam centers are available in all states and UTs of India. There are exam centers at this place in Assam, Dibrugarh, Guwahati, Jorhat, Silchar, Tezpur. How to apply? Interested and suitable candidates who have fulfilled the above-mentioned eligibility criteria have to apply online through the official Bharatiya Aviation Services recruitment portal on or before the last date. Below we have provided the apply online link in the important links section so that applicants may directly apply from this page and must read the official notification PDF before applying. The last date for submitting the online application and for fee payment has been extended to 31st October 2024. So, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe and share this video.